In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create a new page in Microsoft Word. This is one of the simplest tricks you can learn, and once you know it, it will save you so much time while working on documents. Normally, when you're typing in Word and reach the end of a page, you might scroll down, press Enter multiple times, or even wonder how to start a fresh page. Well, there's a much easier way to do it. All you have to do is press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. That's it. Word instantly creates a brand new page right after your current one, and you can continue typing without any interruptions. This method is perfect for adding pages in reports, essays, or any kind of document. No more messing with multiple line breaks or dragging text around. It's quick, clean, and professional. And the best part? It works in all recent versions of Microsoft Word, whether you're using Windows or Mac. So remember, Ctrl plus Enter equals a brand new page, instantly. Simple, easy, and so useful for every Word user. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.